Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to solve the problem number 2562. Find the array concatenation value. You are given a 0 index integer array nums. The concatenation of two numbers is a number formed by concatenating their numerals. For example, the concatenation of 15 and 49 is 1549, right? The concatenation value of nums is initially equal to 0. Perform this operation until nums become empty. If there exist more than one numbers in nums, pick the first element and last element respectively and add the value of their concatenation to the concatenation value of nums. Then delete the first and last element. If one element exists, add its value to concatenation value of nums. Then delete it. Return concatenation value of nums. See the first example. 7, 52, 2 and 4. Let me explain this. 7, 52, 2, 4. They are asking us to find the concatenation value. Concatenation value. What is mean by concatenation value? First of all, we want to see whether the array elements are greater than 1 or greater than 1. Yes, the array elements are greater than 1. Then take the first element and the last element, concatenate them. What is mean concatenate? Just join like this. 74. Right? Then add to the concatenation value. So now the concatenation value is 74. Fine. Now these two are deleted. Now my array is 52 and 2. Whether the array size is greater than 1? Yes. Then take the first element and the last element, concatenate them. 52 and 2. I have concatenated and add to concatenation value. So this is my result. Now delete this both things. What is my array now? It is empty. So stop here. So my final result is 596. Right? 596. So this is what the problem statement states. Now let me take the second example and we can decode this second example. Then we can go to the approaches. 5, 14, 13, 8, 12. Now, whether my array elements are greater than 1? Yes. Then take this first element, take this last element, just remove it and concatenate. Now, my concatenation value will be 512. Now, my array is 14, 13, 8. Then take the first element and last element. Because the array size is greater than 1, just remove them and concatenate them. 14, 8. Now just add to the concatenation value. Now there is only one element in array. What we have to do? Just take and just add to the concatenation value. And delete it. Now my array is empty. Then stop here. Now add this 3, 5, 5, 13, 1, 1, 2, 6, 7, 6. So 673 is my answer. 673 is my answer. Right? Now, how to approach this problem? First of all, first step, whether we want to delete that element, that is first and last elements. It is necessary for my problem. No, it is unnecessary because first I am taking this element and this element. Then I am taking this element and this element. We have same approach called two pointers. So to overcome this, we can use two pointers. So this is my first observation. Fine. Now, what is my second observation? Take those first and last pointers, element, and concatenate them. Right? This is my second step. And What is my third step? What is my third step? I can say that my third step is just add to the result. Just add to the result. Add to the result. Fine. Is it is enough? Is it enough? No, no. The main point is while doing this step, we have to be careful. We have to be careful. What? Because maybe the first pointer is equal to last pointer. That is, the first pointer and last pointer can be at the same index. Then we have to do directly want to add to this result. We don't do this second step. Right? So this is my approach. So this is a simple approach. We can see this in the code. See here, this is my code. Just first don't see this. I will explain this later. Now, first of all, I'm just declaring R as my last element and F as 0, that's first element's index, then rest is equal to 0. This is this concatenation value, right? While F is less than or equal to R, because we have to do this process until F and R are at the same position. Okay, if it is at same position, we want to do this. If F is equal to R, they both are at same position. At this, I don't want to do the second step. I directly add, right? I directly add. Now, else, S is equal to int of str of nums of F plus str of nums of R. I just making the two integer as string, then concatenating them, then converting them into the integer and storing in S. Finally, I am adding this result with S. F plus is equal to 1 and R minus is equal to 1. Then I am returning the result. Just see here. I explain with examples. 5, 14, 13, 8, 12. 5, 14, 13, 8, 12. Now, here is my left pointer. Here is my right pointer. Right? Now, I convert this two into string. Then we know we can concatenate string. Right? Now the answer will be like this. I just change this into integer so that it will be in the integer format. Now just add to the result and store in the result. Fine. Now my pointers moves here and here. Now again I just concatenate this as string, then convert into the integer. Fine. Then add to the result. Now 8 pointer is also at the second index and left pointer is also at the second index. Now this condition F is equal to R will get executed. Then S is equal to nums of F. I can take nums of R too, right? Because nums of F and nums of R will be at same, right? So we can take either nums of F, either nums of R. It provides the same output. Now let me run this. Fine. Now I have a question to you. Whether we can do without this str and this integer, because it is inbuilt function, right? So whether we can do without this inbuilt functions? Yes. I can do by using my own function. Just see here, I am writing my own function. Like I want to concatenate two numbers. How can I concatenate two numbers? I write a logic here. Just assume I have two numbers. For example, 14 and 8. How to concatenate these two numbers? For 140 plus 8 is equal to 148. Basic mathematics. Just see here. How many digits are at the second element into 10? Fine. That should be multiplied with first element. See here, there is only one digit into 10, which is equal to 10. Now product is 10 with this 14, which is equal to 140. Now add this 8, 148. Fine, fine. Now this is what the procedure to concatenate two integers without changing into string. Let me take a bigger example. Fine. Now I can traverse through these numbers and find how many digits are there. Rather finding those digits, I can store the multiples of that digit with 10, right? That is, first the number will be 456. Is the number is greater than 0? Yes. Then proceed with divide by 10 and put a variable and multiply by 10. This variable will be initially 1. Now this value will be 45. This value will be 10, right? Because we are multiplying with 10. Just see here. I just write a code and explain you the dry run. Multiply into 10. Now just assume we have two variables, multiply and a. What is the a variable value? 456 and it is 1. Now whether this 456 is greater than 0? Yes. Then divide this by 10. When we are dividing by 10, the 6 will be gone, 45 will be the answer. Now a is 45. Multiply this mul variable into 10. It will be 10. Now 45 is greater than 0. Yes. Then divide by 10. Then multiply by 100 to the mul variable. Then again 4 is greater than 0. Yes. Then divide by 10. It will be 0 now. Because 4 divided by 10 will be 0.4, which is equal to 0. Right? Multiply by 10. So mul variable will be what? 1000 and a is 0. Fine. Now we can proceed like this. 283 into mul variable plus a, that is this is at a, right? But a becomes 0 at last. So after I getting this value, I will store this a in temp, and using this a here is wrong, so I use temp here. Understand? Now this is the logic behind my code also. See here this is my code. I'm just storing this b in temp variable, then mul as 1, while temp is equal to temp divided by 10. Mul into is equal to 10. Return a into mul plus b, right? That same approach I have converted into the code. So this is the second approach. Let me run this. Yes, this is running successfully. So this is the approach for the given problem. Thank you.